Namaskar. In this video, we will see how to do the installation of digital signature and how it will get registered in our eOffice login. In past video where we did Java configuration, so we are going to test those settings that they are working or not, as many of the softwares where we use digital signatures we find a lot of difficulty in using them as it is Java dependent. Many times issues of versions of Java arises. So if you follow this video, you will not face any problem in your eOffice setup. Firstly, I am inserting the DSC with me in one of the USB of my system. If you are inserting it first time, it will ask for driver installation. One screen will pop up. Let the driver get installed. Here one picture was coming of pen drive, like it will show you, and then it will ask for installation. Click on autorun.exe and it will start installation. And when it gets completed, when we will see inside my computer like this, it will come like we see external drives come as option here. It means we have installed digital signature driver in our system correctly. Now go to browser and we will open demo version of our eOffice and we will try to register our digital signature in it. So demo website, I'm going to type https colon slash slash demo dot mpeoffice.gov.in and enter. Okay, login screen, need to put username and password. I am putting one of the demo user ID and password as we told in the training and click login. Now click login. Okay, let it get open. Now on this screen, not to get worried by seeing so many things, neglect it. Our only concern is this link, file management system. Click on it. It will redirect to the application. This screen now will come. Close this pop-up screen. By default this file tab is open, but for this video I am closing this. On clicking here it will close. At this moment our concern is DSC, digital signature certificate. Click on it. DSC registration link will come. Click on it. On right side screen will come on which option of registration will show. This link where mouse is there for registration, I am clicking on this. Clicking here, below one Java design will come. Let minimize this. This screen whenever comes, always click on continue. This pop-up comes, not to worry about this. This is just logging and tracing information, nothing to do with it anything. You can close it. Just close it. If it is coming in your screen, it means we are going in right direction and what Java configuration we did in earlier videos, that is 100% correct. Otherwise this Java design won't come. So it has read our digital signature and showed some information of the owner of DSC. Select this and click on this register button. I here want to thank Mr. Dinesh Vishkarma who provided me his digital signature for preparing this demo video. So on clicking register and pin, enter pin as you got from provider, click on login. If password is correct, it must get registered. Let us wait a little. It will get registered. Okay, the DSC has been successfully registered. It means all our configurations are correct till now, and so in eOffice digital signature got registered. So all this detail will come. Vishkarma, Dinesh Kumar, name, signing type, etc. In this login, it is always there even if you change your computer system now. One more important thing you must say, click on settings, go to preference link, preferences, let the screen come on right side. Wait, should come now. See here in alert settings, if I click on SMS, I can put my mobile number, means if someone sends me any file, I will get notification through SMS on my mobile number. It is up to you. You can select email. Okay. Now you can select email ID. Then email ID will show here. It will be by default whatever is your login. You can select both to get alert through both options. And last one, none, that you do not want any alert notification. It is important. Secondly, DSC settings, this is very important. Here it is saying that when we log in into eOffice system, there if we want authentication through digital signature or not, this we can mention here, where we entered username and password. If you are district head and district decision maker and you feel it is required for more security, you click on both. If you select signing, it will ask you when you send a file, two options will come there, sign, and one other button will come, sign and send. So by this option, after signing, you can send the file to other official. So you can test these features in demo versions and check which may be useful and what directions you will get from your department. You can do that, and then just click on the save button, and this setting will get saved. This is an example of DSC registration and setting. Anyone technical in your department can easily now do DSC registration for all the users. Here it is important that currently I am showing demo software just for learning, and in future when we need to work on live website, live server, our login will come with our names. Like I have taken Mr. Dinesh Vishkarma's DSC. When he will receive his username and password for e-office login for Katni district, then he will be able to do these registrations and setting procedure in his personal login in the live website. At present, you need not to do all this setting for all the users, as it is a demo software only. Otherwise, it will be difficult for staff of your office and they might get confused, and it is a demo software and other offices are also using the same logins for learning and they will confuse also. Maybe they are also testing on this. So when live software login credentials will come, the technical and node of your office will need to do this work for all the staff. Otherwise, if you stuck anywhere, you may take help from NIC and e-governance team. So when we clicked on save button, our preferences got saved message will come here. As it is a demo software, I will deactivate the digital signature we have just registered in our video. Okay, click on this deactivate link. In future, you can deactivate it anytime when you get transferred, retired, or due to any reason you want the mapping must be removed. Click on OK button, and in future we can activate it again. This option is also at same place. I have deactivated, so if anyone now log in with the ID AG16, they will not face any issue. So this video is very important from the point of view of our Java settings, which has allowed us to do the DSC registration very smoothly. Otherwise, most typical part of Java is that if any of the settings is not as per requirement, then DSC registration will not work, and we feel very frustrated as it is not easy to get the issue. We need to be careful, as I also do many of my internet related work on Chrome browser, but for e-office related activities must be done on Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. Internet Explorer is preferable, as in latest versions of Mozilla Firefox also support of Java is removed. There is one extended version of Mozilla Firefox is available, ESR or something like that. If we use this ESR version, then e-office runs smoothly on that also. As this screen is opened, I'm going to open this side. If you'll see, just a second, see this right side, this book icon. I'm taking mouse on this user manual. We can read. This is very long brochure, you may read it, but I'm trying to cover important parts through this video series, as reading is difficult for many ones and you can't get practical understanding by just reading without doing or seeing it live working. But manual must be there with us for guidance, as I am also not know everything. Okay, quick start is same thing but is less number of pages. In FAQs, there's frequently asked question, there are many common question and their answer, it is useful. Now okay, now this question mark for latest features, as e-office is a very huge application with many modules and many changes occurs in it. It is a very stable application and new features related info we can get from here. We have search option here. We can go to advanced link to see other things, but for understanding the core, I feel these videos will be more than enough. In future videos, I will cover left panel options that receipts, what is receipt, and so many options inside it. These many options, what we need to do out of these, as it is a very simple application. We'll see files options. We will see how to create files. I will create one file and will forward it using two demo IDs, assistant grade and section officer. I will show file sending by assistant grade to section officer and again back from section officer to assistant grade with his comments. This will clear all doubts. Then options: migrate file, dispatch, DSC we have seen, settings we have seen, notification, ext department. As per my knowledge, this is not important for as of now. Notification is when log in we get one pop-up there, it is something related to that. All that I try to cover in future. One small thing, when we log in here it shows our details. Just a second, I come forward. Yeah, here's click on it. Here sign out option comes here. When we are going from our seat, we must sign out for security. It is just a suggestion. If you are working on Mozilla, then one small important point I would like to bring in your notice: click on these three horizontal lines. Here add-ons come, click on it. Just click on add-ons. Then we need to click on plugins. Yes, plugins. In right, this Java deployment toolkit is showing this vulnerable message is coming, kind of warning. As I'm using ESR version of Mozilla, we are getting support in this version, as Mozilla has stopped its support for Java in new versions. If in your system eOffice DSC is not working on Mozilla, you can come here and check this toolkit is showing or not. If not, it means your Mozilla does not support Java anymore and you won't be able to work on it. So you need to either uninstall it or install ESR version, or you can work on Internet Explorer. But personally I don't like Internet Explorer. It is your choice and decision to go with which browser, no issue in that. So in this video we saw installation of digital signature and its registration in eOffice file management system module. We saw some of Mozilla Firefox settings and other things to be done. It is very easy application and youngsters will do it very easily. I request district heads that other various softwares running in their departments, either state government portals or central government portals, generally Office depends on one or two operators. They do all the online work, but you cannot give all the things of eOffice to operator, as file approval is something very critical, as you know very well. So we should use the time we have before live implementation to learn all the ins and outs so that we can sit with the operator if needed to see at least what the operator is doing is doing as per your input and instructions. You must practice on demo. It is just like email checking and replying with a little bit care. In this way you will not find working on live software later on any difficulty. So giving a little time daily will make you confident on it. It is very easy. Now before stopping this video, I have created an uh, some videos on basic technical subjects of daily life, but as of now in Hindi, and same videos are available in this channel which can be checked in playlist. It is for new people who just started computers and laptops or mobiles, or those older generation who are afraid of technology and basics. If they will watch, if they will learn basics and will learn that how easy of all of it which they used to hear daily from uh, youngsters in their family and office. I'm not taking any big technical lectures there, but just small things, and I got a lot of emails for that to take basics of technology topics. So thank you all of you. These are my email IDs. I will suggest just to mail on my this personal Gmail ID and not on the above official ID, because earlier these IDs were given for my district implementation. If you have any queries, you can write to me to this my praful.srivastava37 at gmail.com. Thank you. Thanks a lot.